So, have you ever wondered how AI chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answer common questions, and improve client communication? Well, imagine never missing a lead again, even at midnight. AI chatbots are like having a dedicated customer service team working around the clock. They're always available to greet potential clients, answer their questions, even guide them through your services offerings. So, for kitchen and bathroom remodeling companies, this means no more lost opportunities. A chatbot can answer common questions about your services like project timelines, cost estimates, and material options. It provides immediate responses, which clients love. Plus, it can schedule appointments directly into your Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, whatever you're using through your CRM. It can collect contact information, put that into the CRM, and even follow up with leads based on the information that you have in your current database. But it's not just about availability. AI chatbots improve client communication by providing consistent, accurate information. They learn from each interaction. Basically, they're getting smarter over time, ensuring that the information they provide is always up to date. So, this leads to happier clients. It leads to more efficient operations for you. Now, you can focus on what you do best, which is creating beautiful spaces, while your AI chatbot handles the customer service inquiries. So, incorporating AI chatbots into your business is really very simple. It's an effective way to enhance client communications and support. You can build a custom GPT pretty simply through the OpenAI system as well. And it's a step forward in using technology to grow your remodeling business. So if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. And of course, if you ever want to talk a little bit more about this, feel free to reach out to us at kitchenremodelingseo.com.